it's Gigi, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my 2018 planner, and this planner is what I'm using to stay organized for this year. Without further ado, let's get started. To start off this video, I sadly have to throw away my old coral and gold planner from 2017, and it was a really good and cute planner to use. Now let's look at what came with this planner. So a gold elastic band to go over the planner and close it up, and the planner says My Life with a little gold heart, and inside there's gold polka dots on the cover, and there's also a pad of paper for notes. In the back of the planner there is a green folder with black polka dots and a mint folder that says Be Thankful. The planner also comes with 2 packs of paper, one that's lined and says Notes, and another pack that has grids on. There are also 2 packs of stickers, another pad of paper for notes, and lastly the calendar itself that goes into the planner. Now what I am doing is putting all of the pieces of paper and pads of paper and calendar, the whole calendar, into this planner. Now I'm going through each month and filling out the calendar for the month with all my birthdays, practices, no schools, competitions, and all of that stuff that goes on in the month. All there is to it. All you have to do is fill out your calendar, and then day by day you can fill out your agenda for every single day of the week, the month, then the year. You can also decorate your planner and make it your own with those stickers that come with the planner. And yeah, that is my 2018 planner.
Okay guys, I hope you guys liked me making this planner. It was so fun and I can't wait to use it for 2018. Wow, that's so weird to say. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. If you guys did like this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Also, click that red subscribe button to see more of me and that notification bell to hear when I make more videos. Also, take that I button up above so that you can take a poll, because I always have a poll. And follow my social media, which is GGLRL22 on Instagram and PurpleMS22 on Snapchat and Musical.ly. Also, I just came out with my new and official slime Instagram account, and that is bubble.b.slime. So, I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys are clicking off this video with a big smile on your face, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!